GBP, USD Technical Analysis. Current level, 1.2197. The GBP, USD experienced a notable increase in the previous trading session. Currently, it appears that bullish investors are setting their sights on the next resistance at 1.2248. If they succeed in breaching through this level, their next potential target might be the resistance at 1.2412. Conversely, if bearish traders gain control around the 1.2248 level, there's a possibility of a reversal, with the rate potentially testing the support level at 1.2133. All attention is focused on the upcoming U.S. retail sales report, scheduled for 14:30 Central Europe Summer Time, which has the potential to cause volatility to the financial markets.